There is a special transportation that you will only find and be able to use at the center of Rio. Have you heard of the Rio de Janeiro light rail? The VLT Carioca, as it's called in Portuguese, was built in 2016 for the Olympics, and is now part of the everyday life of Cariocas. Inspired in the streetcars that used to be seen around the city in the 60s, Rio de Janeiro light rail connects several points in the center of the city in a fast and sustainable way. It improved mobility and facilitated access to Porto Maravilha and neighborhoods such as Saúde, Gamboa and Santo Cristo, which are an important part of the history of Rio. The VLT is nearly silent, fueled by fossil fuels, and it moves just like a bus, following the same traffic rules. The only difference is that it has its own rail to move around. For you to use the Rio de Janeiro light rail, you need a card, the same one that you use in a bus, and you can buy it in every VLT station. Once you enter the VLT, you need to validate your card. Not validating it can have bad consequences, such as paying a 170 fine. Come and ride it with us on our real life activities. You'll surely enjoy. Bye bye.